David, look at this. Doesn't this just make you want to pack a bag and leave right now? Whoa, where's that? The water is so blue.
It's in Greece. I've been staring at travel photos for an hour. I seriously need a vacation.
You're telling me. I feel like I haven't properly relaxed in ages.
We should actually do it. Let's plan a trip, for real this time.
I'm all in. Where are we thinking? Are you set on Greece?
I'm open to ideas. Greece would be amazing, but maybe somewhere in Southeast Asia. More adventurous, and maybe a bit more budget-friendly.
I like that idea. I was thinking about Thailand. You get amazing food, beautiful beaches, and vibrant cities all in one.
Ooh, Thailand? Yes, I've always wanted to go to Chiang Mai and see the elephants, and then maybe head south to an island.
Perfect. So, that's step one done. Destination, Thailand. Now for the tricky part. When can we go?
How about in November? The weather's supposed to be great then, not too hot and past the rainy season.
November works for me. Let's say the second and third week. That gives us a full 2 weeks.
Sounds like a dream. Okay, Mr. Practical, what's next? Flights.
Exactly. I'll pull up a flight comparison website. Do we want to fly into Bangkok and out of, say, Phuket? Or just a simple round trip to Bangkok?
A round trip to Bangkok is probably cheaper, right? We can just get a cheap domestic flight to the islands later.
Good thinking. Let's check prices for the second week of November. Okay. Wow. There's a pretty big price difference between airlines.
Let me see. Oh, that one is cheap, but it has a 7-hour layover in Dubai.
Yeah, I don't think so. That would be exhausting. What about this one? It's a direct flight, overnight. We'd land in the morning, ready to go.
It's a bit more expensive, but honestly, I think it's worth it to avoid a long layover. Let's bookmark that one.
Agreed. It's a full-service airline, too, so checked baggage is included. Some of these budget airlines charge you extra for everything.
That's a good point. By the time you add luggage fees, it's almost the same price. Okay, so we have a favorite flight. What about a place to stay?
Let's start with Bangkok. How many nights should we stay there before heading to the mountains or the beach?
Maybe 3 nights, enough time to see the Grand Palace, explore some markets, and get over the jet lag.
3 nights it is. Now, the big question, hotel or an Airbnb?
For a city like Bangkok, I'm leaning towards a hotel. I'd love one with a rooftop pool to escape the heat.
A rooftop pool? You read my mind. I'm looking at a hotel booking site now. Let's filter for places in the Sukhumvit area. It's supposed to be great for food and transport links.
Oh, show me. What about that one? It has amazing reviews. People are saying the breakfast is incredible.
Looks good. And it's close to a BTS SkyTrain station. That's a huge plus for getting around.
Is the booking refundable just in case something comes up?
Let's see. Yes, it offers free cancellation up to a week before. The non-refundable option is slightly cheaper, but I think the flexibility is worth a few extra dollars.
I completely agree. Let's book it for 3 nights. This is getting so real. I'm already excited.
Me too. Okay, so that's Bangkok sorted. Now for Chiang Mai. We could take an overnight train or a short flight.
A flight is probably faster and not too expensive. Let's not waste a whole day traveling.
Okay. I'll look up domestic flights from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. For accommodation there, maybe something a bit more unique, like a small guest house or a boutique hotel.
I love that idea. Something with more local character. I'll start searching for places in the old city. I want to be able to walk to all the temples.
Perfect. You handle the Chiang Mai hotel search, and I'll find the flights. Then we just need to plan the last part of our trip, the beach.
Which island should we choose? There are so many. Koh Samui, Phuket, Krabi.
I've heard Krabi is stunning. It's a good base for island hopping to places like Phi Phi Islands.
And it has Railay Beach. I've seen so many pictures of that place. Okay, Krabi it is. Let's spend the last 5 nights there just relaxing.
5 nights of sun, sand, and seafood. Sounds like heaven. We should book a resort right on the beach for that part of the trip.
Absolutely. It's the grand finale. It should have a nice pool and easy beach access. I'll start a list of potential resorts.
This is working out so well. We've got a destination, a timeline, and a plan for flights and hotels. The only thing left is transportation on the ground.
In Bangkok, we'll use the SkyTrain and tuk-tuks. In Chiang Mai, maybe we can rent a scooter for a day to explore the countryside.
I was hoping you'd say that. It would be so much fun. And in Krabi, we can use longtail boats to get between the different beaches.
It sounds like the perfect itinerary, balanced but with plenty of room for spontaneous adventures.
So, are we ready to make the bookings? I have the direct flight to Bangkok in my cart.
And I have the hotel in Bangkok ready to go. Let's do it. On the count of 3, we both click confirm.
Okay. 1,
2.
3. Done. We are officially going to Thailand.
This is the best decision we've made all year. I can't wait. I'm going to start researching the best pad Thai restaurants right now.
And I'll get the booking confirmation saved in the folder. We're so organized.
We're the best travel planning team ever.
No doubt about it. This is going to be an unforgettable trip.